Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing Jamaican stew peas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, it's Callie Kitchen _1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my pressure cooker. Of course, I'm gonna go in and add some water, and I will also go in and add my corned beef. Now, a lot of you always see I'm using corned beef to make my stew peas. So just to note, guys, I do not eat pigtail. However, if you want to go ahead and have pigtail, you can always go ahead and do so. I will go in and of course add my chicken foot, and you always want to ensure that you wash all of these items nicely. And as for the corned beef, you always want to ensure that your corned beef is boiled at least 3 times so that the excess salt can boil out. All right, and then I'm gonna go in and add my garlic and of course my red kidney beans. Cover this and pressure this for roughly about half an hour to 35 minutes. And once it's finished, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. Now, while all of that is cooking, you can always go ahead and make up some dough for your spinach to add to your stew peas. Cut up your onion, your scallion, your garlic, your thyme, your scotch bonnet pepper, whatever you're gonna add to your stew peas. I will also go ahead and of course cook some white rice, because you can't make stew peas and have it with rice and peas. It's only right that you have stew peas with white rice. So of course I'm going to go ahead and cook some white rice and I'll show you all of that. So there it is, guys. My peas, my chicken foot, and also the corned beef is cooked nicely. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my spinach. And of course, we don't want our spinach to be too big. Just some small spinach is perfectly fine. Now, I will also go ahead and dissolve my coconut milk powder. However, if you have the real coconut milk, you can always go ahead and use it. Like I always say to you guys, just be creative and always be you in the kitchen. So most of these items that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative again, guys, and always be you in the kitchen and utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local meat shop, and of course you get most of these items there as well. You can visit your local farmers market. You will get the onion, the scallion, the thyme, and all of that goodness there as well. So like I said earlier, I'm going to serve up my stew peas with some white rice, because it's only right that we have our stew peas, with our white rice. And basically, I'm almost finished cooking. So we're just going to go in and of course add our coconut milk. And once we add our coconut milk, we're just going to combine all of that goodness together. Turn down your stove on medium heat, and this is really easy, really quick, really simple. Like I said, if you don't want to add the chicken foot, you can always go ahead and add pigtail. It's up to you if you really and truly eat pigtail. All right, of course we want to add a little bit of powdered seasoning, so we're going to add some garlic powder, some onion powder. I will also go in and add some of my paprika, some black pepper, some chicken season, and some all-purpose season, just to bring up the taste and the flavor of my stew peas. And once I add all of that goodness, combine everything together nicely again and just allow this to cook down nicely. Please note that you don't need to add any thickening agent to your stew peas. Your stew peas will eventually thicken once it is boiled down nicely, so you don't need to add any cornstarch or anything to that. And basically, once my stew peas is finished cooking, I will come back and show you guys the final product, and I will also go ahead and serve it up with some white rice and show you guys what it looks like. So just in case you want a recipe for the white rice, I do have a recipe on my channel, how to cook rice. You can always go ahead and check that out and let me know what you think about this amazing stew peas. So we are almost finished, and basically this is it, the final product of my amazing Jamaican stew peas. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think about this amazing recipe. Tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. We're on our way to 10K subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing with your families and your friends. Thank you guys again for watching and see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.